DHgate order, 500 USB-C cords. We got white, black, and gold. Now these are defective and I'll show you. This is a different brand, high quality item. Plug it in. Plug it into the phone. And it will say fast charging, it's working properly. Okay, unplug that. We'll grab a random cord from my DHgate order. Plug it in. Grab the USB-C end. Plug it in. Complete connection. Let's try another one, different color. Let's grab one that's unopened from the black. This is by random to show that all of these have this problem. Plug it in. Plug it into the phone. Incomplete connection. As you can see, it's plugged in. Let's try one more time, just to show. Just a random pack unopened. Open it. This is the gold color now. Plug it in. Plug it into the phone. Incomplete connection. Now let's go back to the blue one that's from a different manufacturer, higher quality. Plug this. Plug in the blue. No incomplete connection error. This is charging right there. Fast charger. And the icon in the corner. These are clearly very low quality control. I cannot sell these. I'm very unsatisfied. I'd like to return them and give full refund. Thank you.